Hey Rockabilly fans, and welcome to another lesson. In today's video we are going to have a look at a very nice song from Elvis, Don't Be Cruel. Now, before we start, I have to point out that we are in drop D tuning, so your low E is going to be tuned a whole step down. So the low E sounds like this. Very nice tuning. It really gives the intro like another dimension. A very cool intro. So for the intro sounds like this. So what are we playing here? We're playing the open E to the 4th fret on the E, open A, 2nd fret on the A string, back to the open fret on the A string. So far we have right? So the only thing you have to do is to repeat it and you have the intro. I have to note also that you are playing it in a light muted style. So open, completely open sounds like this. And now slightly muted. Anyway, you may choose what you prefer. I prefer the muted version. Okay, now we are into the verse. So I play the verse once. So the first chord we are playing in the verse is a standard D chord. So 2nd fret on the A string, 3rd fret on the B string, and 2nd fret on the high E string. After that we are playing the G chord, but in a C-shaped way, I would say. This is played the 5th fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B and high E string. So one more time, your D chord and your G chord. And these are the only chords you need during the verse. So, one more time. And you're playing the chords in I think the name is a staccato or something like that. That really make it short, but like ta 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 da da ta 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 da 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 ta 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 da da da. Right? So it sounds like this. Okay, so now you completed the verse. After the verse, you are into the chorus section of the song, I would say. So this goes like this. So now you are playing the G chord, but this time on the 9th fret on the G string, the 8th fret on the B string, and the 7th fret on the high E string. After that we are playing the A chord, but this time also in the C shape. So the position of your fingers stays the same. So the chord is played 7th fret on the D string, 6th fret on the G string, 5th fret on the B and high E string. So far the two chords we have are the G and the A. So after that we're playing the D chord. It's played 7th fret on the G and B string, 5th fret on the high E string. So okay, so one more time. So now you completed the chorus. After the chorus it goes like this. So here we are playing again the G chord. Once again 5th fret D string, 4th fret G string, 3rd fret B and E string. And then we're moving a whole step up. Exactly the same shape. So we are ending this on a D chord. What I do sometimes, I go like D and then go half step down, the same D shape. I don't know what chord this is. So it sounds something like this. Right? Now for the ending. So the ending goes like this. We are ending with a very nice chord. Just listen to the sound of that. So you like a Bixby guitar, please make sure you use your Bixby on that chord, because it's just asking for it. I don't know how this chord is called, but I can show you how you play it, okay? So we are playing the open D, and then you're playing the 9th fret of the A string and D string, and the 9th fret of the G string, the 10th fret of the B and high E string. So and you play it like first you hit the bass note, the low E. So there you have it, Don't Be Cruel by Elvis. I would say a beginner song, there's no solo in it, but overall a very nice song. If you play in a cover band, the crowd always love a good Elvis song, so I would advise it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so bye.